Hey guys, it's Dustin with Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Today I'm here with Taylor. That's it, So Taylor's actually a mute. She's not gonna talk at all today. So this is gonna be a great episode. We are back with kind of an episode of From the Gallery, but not really. So we're gonna be reviewing some of our ambassadors' trucks. We brought Taylor along for the ride because obviously Taylor is the ambassador specialist here at Custom Offsets. So when you guys email into team at Custom Offsets, you're gonna get a hold of her and she's gonna be the one answering all the questions. So basically the premise of this video is we're gonna go through, review some of their trucks, pick out some things we like, maybe some things we don't like, and at the end, we're gonna pick our favorite one.
God, right? I can't do that.
You have to pick
one.
No,
because there will
only be one favorite. Before we do that, if you guys wanna check out our ambassador program, it's really cool, awesome program full of a ton of benefits. You can check that out at customoffsets.com/ambassador, and that's it. All right, up first is a 2018 Ford F-150 on Xf Offroads. These are the XFX, which are the flow-formed. It's the 307 in a 2414 -76. Either way, she's on a 37-13.5 R24 tire there and an 8-inch full throttle suspension lift kit. So you know her.
Yeah, we're homies.
Oh, you're homies.
She's the sweetest human being ever.
I absolutely love this truck though, right? So it's black on black, it's got the machined face on the wheels, got the 8-inch full throttle suspension lift, and full throttle has that cool cross member up underneath there. Little dashes of purple here and there that really kind of make this thing pop off. It's really like everything Lawson tried to do with his truck, but it didn't work.
Yeah, this works. Like, I'm not that big of a fan of F-150s, to be honest, but her truck is super clean. It's not gaudy, but like she did the perfect amount of everything where it all blends together. Yeah,
it looks really good. Looks like Morimoto tails with the infinity lights there. A little Gen Y drop hitch, flat back diff cover up under there. Oh, she's got the little mats on the step too.
Yeah, next level.
Those things are so cool.
I love them.
They're a lot of money though, like a lot of money.
They're like $500. I got a quote.
That's a lot.
No.
What do you?
Well, amp steps are what?
$1,400. Yeah, it's a lot. I don't know. I love this truck. I love the wheel choice on this thing too. Pretty unique wheel choice. You don't see a lot of XFs, especially their Flow Forged series. So it looks good. I like it.
Hell yeah.
All right, moving on. Up next is a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500s on 24x14 -81 ARKON Mandelas with a Fury Country Hunter MT 33x14.5s with a 6-inch BDS lift kit.
You know, Dom bothers me so much.
Whoa!
I love his truck though. It's clean, it's simple, it's wide. I don't want to admit that because he does some crazy shit, like sits on the windshield, posts a picture.
Yep.
While it's driving, rollers for that.
Yep.
Matt Blue, his photographer.
Yep. I love this truck. Dom's a great dude, and I remember this was one of the first ambassador program trucks that I'd ever really seen. And so just seeing the new wheel and tire setup that he put on this thing this year, you know, he was not on Mandelas before that. He just got the Mandelas on because they're a new wheel, obviously, and they just look really freaking good. So 33-14.5s on a 24-14 obviously is a pretty thin sidewall tire, but it works for this truck. Mm-hmm. It just works. So
it rubs.
Oh, I'm sure it rubs.
Looks cool though.
I love this truck. I think it looks really good. It's black on black on black.
I don't like black on black on black on black. Like 2015, hell yeah. My truck was cool back then. I thought it was cool before I bought it, but now it's like, But this looks very nice. It's clean.
This truck looks fantastic. I dig it so much. All right, so up next is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 on specialty forged SF 41s and a 26x16 -103. He is on 40x15.5 Fury Country Hunter MTs and a 12-inch full throttle suspension lift kit. The one and only
Chitty Deep.
Chitty Deep.
Hell yeah. I love his truck.
Yeah, this truck's wild. Polished 26x16s, powder coated suspension. It just looks good. And his pictures are always on point.
I know.
I don't know who his photographer is, but they rock. Always a super cool dude to work with. I love this truck.
He's rebuilding it. That's why he didn't have it at Daytona. Why didn't I go to Daytona?
I don't know, why didn't you?
Ask your boyfriend.
Either way, not much else to talk about on this one. I mean, just an overall fantastic truck. Looks great altogether. All right, moving on. Unless you got anything else you want to say about this one?
I love it.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 12 out of 10.
Next, 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. We have a lot of GM love. I just realized that. Our ambassadors really like GM trucks. So it's a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 ARKON Offroad Mandelas in a 2414 again. This one in the satin black finish, I believe. Versatire MXT HDs in a 36x14.5 because Versatire is one of the few companies that makes a 36-inch tire, and a 9-inch Magoy's suspension lift kit. The one and only lifted light Rado. I adore this truck as well. I think it's fantastic. It's on the McGoy's 7-9. He's got the Fox 2.5-inch coilovers up front. He's got some trimming going on, little rear wheel spacer to flush it up because he's a classy gentleman.
Touch of red.
What's that?
A touch of red.
A little bit of red in the suspension.
And he has red spikes.
Yeah.
It's just a little. It's not a lot.
This truck slaps.
Yeah, it does.
The white and black complement each other really, really well. That little bit of red ties into the Z71 badges. It's just a fantastic truck.
It's beautiful.
Admittedly, I would like to see some tow mirrors on this thing. I'm a tow mirror guy.
I want to take mine off.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Like I like it. It's with the white.
Okay, with the painted.
It looks good.
But what if that was a painted to match like top and bottom cap on a tow mirror? It would
I don't know.
Super good. I'm a tow mirror guy. I'm sorry. It's just my thing.
I don't think so. I like how he has it. Keep it. Keep the same.
Different strokes for different folks. What's wild to me is that's a 36 and it does not look big.
No.
Which tells you how big this truck is.
I haven't seen it in person. He has been here probably 3 times, and I haven't seen it.
Absolutely. Anything else on this one? Switching gears and jumping into Fords, we have the one and only Gabe Farrell with a 2012 F350 Super Duty on fuel forged FF19s. The fronts are super single 20x14s. The rears are 20x8.5s, obviously, because dually wheel things. He's on Goodyear MVTs in a 395/85 and a custom greater than 12-inch lift kit. It's a Plan B fab truck. Yep. So it's a 20-inch lift. It's got FOA coils front and rear. If you have not seen this thing in person, this truck is freaking massive. Like massive, massive. It was big before he rebuilt it, and it's even bigger now.
I just respect him because like he did the dually swap. He did everything himself, I believe.
Yeah, as far as I know.
Yeah.
Like I said, the lift went out to Plan B, but other than that, Gabe's done most of this stuff all on his own. So yeah, paint to match, front bumper.
He's done so much different. Like this truck has had so many different stages.
Thing's so massive. It's crazy. The picture with the gooseneck and then the ramps coming off, and it's hard to wrap your head around how freaking big this thing is.
Yeah, you can't tell in pictures.
Because it looks like a toy.
The pictures of him with
one?
it. We'll drop some pictures.
Yeah, this is where they
pictures of him with it.
Look at that.
His head's not even over the hood.
The emblem. Yeah.
Or the emblem, yeah.
And now, granted, he's not a super tall guy, right? But either way, it's a big truck. It's freaking huge. I just love the attention to detail in this thing, and the fact that Gabe has had such a good glow up. You know, it's been super cool. We've known Gabe for a little over a year now, give or take. We've kind of been back and forth. So always cool to see him kind of work through some stuff and watch him really blow up over the last couple of years. And it's been super cool to have him as a part of the ambassador program as well. So.
And he has so many different trucks now.
Yeah.
I didn't know which one to pick, but I figured like this is like the.
This is the OG.
Yeah.
This one will never go away. And last, but certainly not least, don't forget, after all of this, you have to pick your favorite. So be thinking of that. The last one here is a 2018 Ram 3500 on American Force Trax SS 22x12 minus 40s. He's on Nitto Ridge Grops in a 3312.5 and a Ready Lift leveling kit. I dig this truck a lot. The like anodized teal in the wheels with the white 5th gen.
Yeah.
Me up, fam.
I love this truck. I keep saying it's like clean, like, but I don't know how else to describe it. They're not gaudy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. It's super.
They're all so different.
You're absolutely correct. They're different builds, right? So like Gabe's truck is so much different than this thing because it's big and it's massive and it's a dually and it's all sorts of big truck.
Yep.
You know, compared to like this is really almost
realistic.
Minimal, yeah, and very realistic. But they're both super cool. I absolutely dig the finish on the wheels. I love that wheel as well.
Yeah.
One of my favorite American Force wheels ever.
I wanted to get those, but I felt like I was cheating on ARKON.
I absolutely love the wheel entire setup, of course. The 22s and 33s it's fantastic. I'm just saying, it's a great tire choice. I might have known a guy that might have done some 22 F14s and some 305 45s, so it's about the same size, you know. I like the mud flaps, and I didn't think I liked those at first, but the more I see them on the truck, I think I dig that.
Yeah.
It's very
They're
subtle.
not bad.
Great way to throw some color in there. But other than that, a pretty much stock bodied truck. Still super, super neat, so I dig it.
I think if the wheel, like, even if the wheels were just like the normal polished, like, it would still look super good.
Yeah,
With that touch of blue, like, usually colored wheels, I'm not that big of a fan. I mean, it depends.
Yep.
Most Forces, like a American Force that's colored, usually looks good, but this looks fantastic.
Yeah, I dig it, especially because it's like that anodized blue. So
Yeah.
I
They're
love
glossy.
it. I love the truck. I think it looks good. I love the 5th gen taillight conversion. It's just fantastic. Are you ready?
We're not rating.
You have to pick your favorite
Oh,
one.
I don't want to do that.
You have to do it. Which one, if you're getting the keys to any of them today, which one would it be?
Okay, can I be honest? Like,
3, 2, 1, go. Which one are you taking?
Titty deep.
Really?
Yes. I don't know why.
Really?
I think maybe it's because like just the pictures are so like
Crispy.
Yes. I don't know if it's that. I've never seen this truck in person. Myrtle Beach, hopefully. Maybe, possibly.
I think it's everything about that truck, right? It's the fact that there's 2616s on 40s. It's the
Yeah.
fact that it's a 12-inch lift.
Yeah.
It's the fact that it's polished and black with a little bit of red in there, right? It's, everything about that truck ties together.
Yeah, it all
super,
flows
super,
together super nice.
well. Yeah, I agree. I think if I had to pick one today, I'm going with the Ram, believe it or not. I love the rest
But you
of those
wanted
trucks.
to get one.
I did for a long time, and I
Yeah.
still do.
Yeah.
But I love how functional that truck is, and I'm a pretty big fan of like low and wide. I know that that's not everyone's cup of tea. A lot of guys like really big lift kits, you know, which was obvious today. We saw 3 of the 6 trucks were over 12 inches.
See, but I like low and wide too.
I love low and wide.
I don't know. Like for a daily,
That's what I'm
low
saying.
and
Like
wide.
I would drive
But
the hell out.
1 hour later.
now it just sucks.
Well, there you go. There you have it, guys. There is our take on some of our ambassador trucks. Reminder that if you're interested in our ambassador program, you can check that out at customoffsets.com/ambassador. Find all the perks are listed right there. Check it out. Fill out the application. Super, super simple. And if you need wheels, tires, or suspension, you can find that at customoffsets.com.